What is happening? That thing was huge. Oh my God. Wow. It has been, it's like I forgot how to fly fish. Wow. Everything's completely frozen. Just rising. There we go. Oh. That's a good fish. Beautiful fish. Wow. Look at that guy. Wow. Beautiful. Nope. I saw that thing go down. That was not my best fly fishing outing. So it started off cold. I wasn't prepared for that. Things were icing up. I did get into one nice little west slope out of that deep hole, but man, I started hiking up the creek and just scared away. Just clumsy, tromping up there, not paying attention. And then the couple of opportunities I did have, I cast my fly into the tree. You know, those fish are f***ing long gone after me. Snagosaurus over there. Oh, you see? So definitely not the start to the day that I was hoping for, but at least I got one in the net. But just goes to show you, right? It's about stick-to-itiveness, perseverance, keep at it. We're all gonna have days like that on occasion. You just can't avoid it. All right, off to the next spot. Oh, he came up and ate the October caddis. Oh, no. Oh, he came up and ate the big caddis. And I blew it again. Oh, God. That was a big fish. I don't know if you could see the flash, but it had some size. Well, if it can happen, it's going to today. There we go. That was the worst hook set ever. Yep. Didn't even see it happen. That's terrible. It's good. Looks like a good fish. Yeah. A really good fish. Nice. Holy smokes. Dude, nice fish. Oh. That's pretty awesome.
Stood.
What a beaut. Nice. Nice job, man. Way to go. Oh, and I can see it too. So I thought maybe switching spaces and places would change up my luck, but I just lost fly number 5 this morning. It's just crazy. So I guess the only silver lining is, right, and a fly fishing tip is whenever you're using a dropper, and I just changed over to a worm dropper, go with a lighter tippet, because that way that'll break and you won't lose both flies. So I've got 4X to the October caddis and 5X to the worm, and I only lost 1 fly. So, but hopefully we'll stop losing flies, because that's not very much fun. It's getting a little frustrating. There we go. Oh, that was a big fish too. Oh, that was big. Oh, what the heck? I have lost so many big fish on just poor hook sets and I don't know what. Wow. I mean, geez, Louise. I mean, what am I doing wrong? God, that was a tank fish. God, I'd love to be able to get one of these in the net. I've hooked into like 5 nice fish here and lost them all. There's another one. Oh, it's trying to get the handle on it. Oh, I got 5X tippet, so I don't want to put too much pressure on him. It's not as big as the other guys. But that's okay. I take it. If I could just get it in the net, that'd be super cool. Just break the cycle. Break the cycle. Finally! Oh my God. Look at it. He's already unhooked. That's how fast it happens. Yep, swim the other way. Zoom. Yep. That pretty much sums things up right there.